In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a YouTube thumbnail. I'm gonna be using a software called Paint.net, which is completely for free, and there's a tutorial on my channel on how to download and install it. Press New here at the top left corner, and then set the resolution to 1920 by 180. Press OK. Here we have our canvas. I'm gonna drag in a picture of me. Press Open. Now I'm gonna select this by pressing Ctrl A. You'll be selecting the entire image, and press Ctrl C to copy the image, and then go back to our original canvas, add a new layer, and paste it in here by pressing Ctrl V. The image I'm pasting is larger than the canvas size, which was 1920 by 180, but we're going to keep the canvas size. Then I'm gonna resize this image to fit the canvas, and then press enter. Here I have another picture that I'm going to put in our canvas. First add a new layer, paste it, and now the previous layer, which was a picture of me, I'm gonna pull it up, and it is now above this layer. I'm gonna select the picture of the video editing software, and I'm gonna put it about here. There we go. I'm going back to this other file, and I'm gonna select this part because I want this to look bigger. This looks fine. Now I'm gonna add a new layer, press the white color, and select the line tool. I'm gonna increase the size to about 25, and here press straight. Add the line about here, and this looks like it's small, so I'm gonna increase it to like 50. Now you can drag these to make these cool looking lines like this, and press enter. Now you can see this doesn't look, this part needs some work. So what we can try to do is select some of this background here, Control, copy, paste, and pull the here. It blends in okay, probably won't be able to notice on the YouTube thumbnail. And I'm gonna repeat that here. Don't worry about the part that crosses the line, we can remove that. There's a tiny section here. There we go. There's a part here as well. Okay, now what we're gonna do is select the lasso, and we're gonna just drag it about on the white line, and then select this part. Press delete, and you can see that it blends pretty good right now. This is looking nice. For this white line, I'm going to, let's just copy it. Select the layer with the white line, select all, copy. Make a new layer and paste it. Move it slightly to the right using your arrow keys, and press the black color and fill the white line. Put that underneath the previous line, and you can see we have a shadow. You can move that around. We can change the color. You can try red. You can try red, doesn't look bad either, but I'm gonna keep it as black right now. After this, we can add some text, add a new layer, press the text. I use the font Impact, and we need a big font size. You can try 144, and you can write free, like I have in one of my videos. And then I have a plugin where I can add some shadow-like things for it to stand out more. We can see the white line is actually above the text, so let's pull the text layer above the white line, and the text is now above. So this is how I make my YouTube thumbnails using Paint.net and some more work. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, write them below. Bye!